Hi everybody, my name is Jordan. Thanks for joining me today. So for today's workout, I've got a 15-minute quick total body. So we're going to cover everything kettlebell workout routine. So if you do have a kettlebell at home, that's going to work best for the workout. If you only have a dumbbell, free weight, something like that, you're going to be able to make this workout work as well. So please still join in even if you don't have a kettlebell. I'm using a 20-pound kettlebell. You could use something a little bit lighter, a little bit heavier, have some choices. There's going to be a lot of different movements. I just kind of picked something in the middle for myself, but having choices because there's a lot of different movements wouldn't be a bad idea if you do have that at home. So we're going to go ahead and get started with a little bit of a warm-up. First thing I'm going to have you do is some jumping jacks here just to build up a little heat in that body. If you need to modify, if jumping bothers those knees at all, you can always step it out to the side just like this. So either way works. All right, now we're going to plant those feet down on the ground and do some squats. So what we're going to be doing today is some single arm stuff. So we're going to start and do a bunch of moves on the right side. We'll work for 20 seconds. We'll rest for 10 seconds. Then we're going to take and do all those same moves on the left side. Same thing. And then we're going to do some moves all together, 30 seconds of all of them back to back. All right, now I want you to take a few lunges. So step it out, press it back in. If you have never worked with kettlebells before or not used to weights, I would definitely say this is probably not a beginner routine. You can tailor to your own level just with the weights that you choose, but just know this is intended to be a little bit higher intensity today. All right, so we're going to start on the right side. We're going to get going in 10 seconds. Your first move is a hang pull. So with this one, you're just taking that weight up to your chest, pulling it up, starting on your right side. All right, ready? And let's go. Pull it up. If that weight is too heavy for you, what you can do is just add a little boost from those legs to help pull it up. Exhale, pull. Inhale, straighten that arm back down. Good. Few more seconds right here. And take a little break. All right, we're staying on that right side. Remember, now we're going to go into a squat. So you're going to hold it right out in front of your body and do those squats just like we did in the warm-up. Go ahead, bring it up, and let's go. Sink down and press it up. Sink it down, press it up. Good. Nice work. Last one. Go ahead and take your rest. Next up, we're going to be going into a lawnmower row on this right side. Big step back with that right foot. We're going to go ahead and pull that weight up to your hip. Pull it up. Keep that elbow in by your side the entire time. Good. We're going to work here for 10 more seconds. Awesome job. Good, and take a rest right here. All right, next one, we're gonna go into some lunges. You're gonna take that weight in your right hand. We're gonna step that right leg forward. Let's go. Step it out, press it back. Step it out, and press it back. Good, nice work. All right, last one, and rest. All right, next one is going to be a single arm kettlebell swing. So you're pushing those hips back, letting those hips do the work, swinging that weight forward, and let's go. Push the hips back, swing it forward. Good. Awesome job. All right, go ahead and take a break. Next one, you're going to center that weight between your feet. You're going to sink those hips all the way down, pull the weight up. All the way down to the ground, pull it up to your chest. Sink low, exhale, pull. Good, nice work. Last one on this side. Good, and set that weight down. We're gonna head down to the ground now. We're gonna be going into a side plank on this right side. Ready? And go. Press those hips up, If you need a modification at all in your side plank, you can take and bend that bottom knee down to the ground. Guys, keep those hips pressed up, 10 seconds. Nice work. Go ahead, take your break. All right, we're gonna do all of these same moves now on your left side. We'll give you another 30 seconds to catch your breath. And then we'll do all that on the left. We'll start at the top. We're gonna do hang pulls first. That's gonna be this move right here. All right, take a nice deep breath, 10 seconds here, and we're gonna get going. Working on that same timer, 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds to transition. All right, let's go ahead, pick up that weight, shoulders pulled back, and let's go. Perfect. All right, go ahead and set that weight down. A little breather right here. We're going to go into squats next. Weight is at the chest. All right, go ahead. Bring it up right here, and let's squat. Let's get one more squat in. All right, perfect. Next up, you're gonna go into that lawnmower row. Nice big step back here with that left foot. Flatten out that back. 3, 2, 1, and go. Good, nice work, and go ahead, take that rest. All right, we're gonna switch up to lunges now. So we're gonna hold that weight in your left hand. We're gonna step that left foot forward. Let's go. Step it out, press it back. Step it out, press it back in. Good. Let's go. One more lunge here on this side. And we will go ahead and take that rest. All right. We've got 3 moves left here on the left. We're going to go with swings next. In 3, 2, 1, and go. All right, 10 seconds. Nice work. Take a break. All right, we're centering that weight now between your feet. Next one, we're going to go ahead, sink those hips all the way down. Pull that weight up to the chest. All the way down. Exhale, pull. Good. We've got time for one more. Pull it up and rest. All right, we're gonna head down to the ground now. We're gonna finish out this round with your side plank on your left side. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, press it up. Remember here, if you need that modification, you can bend that bottom knee down to the ground. We're gonna work 10 more seconds here on this side. Good, keep it lifted and rest. Very good. All right, we're gonna get back up to those feet. We've got one more round to get through. Final round. This time around, we're gonna go straight through 30 seconds of every exercise. We're gonna do some doubles now of a lot of those same movements and some new movements introduced in as well. 30 seconds back to back to back to back to back till we get to the end. So a couple more minutes of work left here. First move today, we're gonna take both hands on top of that kettlebell. Using both hands, we're gonna pull that weight up to the chest. All right, Get ready here. A few more minutes of work. Let's go. Shoulder blades pulled back. Let's go. Exhale, pull up to the chest. Inhale, lower down. Good. Halfway there. Keep pulling. Let's go 2 more. Here's 1. And here's 2. Let's go ahead and bring that weight now to the chest. We're going to go ahead and take some squats. Chest up tall. Sink down and stand up. Take it down and stand up. Good. We're going to keep squatting here 10 more seconds. Last one. All right, we're going to go tricep extensions, holding the weight just like this. Take those arms up above your head. Extend that weight back and arms up. All the way down, all the way up. Locking those biceps in by the ears. Good. Keep breathing here. Let's go 2 more. Here's 1. And here's 2. We're going to go with the kettlebell swing now. Both hands on top of that kettlebell. Push your hips back. Power that weight forward. We go. Nice work. 10 seconds. All right, stand up nice and tall. We're going to hold on to the sides of the weight. You're going to lift it straight up out in front of you, back down to the body. Exhale, lower it down. Straight out, straight back down, working those shoulders. Good, nice work. All right, perfect. You can go ahead and set that weight down between your feet. We're going to center it down. Sink those hips down. Use both hands to pull up to your chest. All the way down. Lift it up. Good. Down and up. Good. Nice work. Last one. Nice. All right, go ahead and set that weight aside. We're going to take it down to the ground. We're going to go into that front plank now. You're on those forearms, holding yourself up. If you need a modification here, you can drop both knees down to the ground. Just make sure you keep those hips down. Keep holding here. We're going to go 10 more seconds. Hold, hold, and let's press it back to a child's pose. Toes together, knees wide, press your hips back into your heels. Taking this opportunity to just slow down that breath. You can just relax that head down towards the ground. From here, I want you to go ahead and reach your right arm underneath your left arm. All right, go ahead and switch it up. Other side. All right, let's go ahead and take a seat. Last stretch here. We're going to bring the bottoms of your feet together, pushing those knees down towards the ground, sitting up nice and tall. We're going to end with this stretch today, but if you have other stretches that you usually incorporate into your exercise routine, now that you're warmed up and down on the ground, you can definitely add those in after this. Otherwise, we're going to call this good for today. Hope you all got a great workout, and thanks so much for joining me.